asshole! Get out of the fucking car!
Well, fucking go. Don't stop in the middle of the road. Let me guess, the person in the BMW is far too important to wait in the queue with the rest of us. We are so sorry we inconvenienced you, you colossal cunt. Well, wait, where the fuck are you going? Prick. What are you doing? An indicator and don't stop when there's no one in front of you. Use your fucking eyes! Come! Fucking silly little bastard! Red light? How fucking stale was that light for you to go across that? Fucking hell. Oh, I could even see the green pedestrian signal over there that he drove through. The fuck are you doing, you cunt? Fucking sitting there waiting for somewhere to go, so I'm not just sitting in the middle of the road blocking someone, and you get wankers like this thinking they're more important. Fucking stupid van is trying to turn, when if he goes over there he's just going to hit them fucking rubber bits with the top of his van anyway. And it all goes to the same place. Wasting my fucking time. Well, get out of the fucking way then! Cunt! Just rolls in front, super fucking slow, then gives me the fucking finger. You're the one that's in the way, you useless cunt. Wanker. Come on. You're allowed in the yellow box. You're making a right turn. Thank you. Come on. fucking dickhead, the other side not going into it as well means we can't see anything. Is it clear? Yeah, we're good. Some people, I swear, do not understand how roads work and the rules. Go in the fucking yellow box. Because also, when you get them really cunty lights where you don't get many people through on that right turn, the more people you get through and into that yellow box to make that right turn, the easier the traffic will be. But people don't seem to get that. Why would you try and overtake a cyclist there? Can you see round that corner? No, you can't. Fucking dangerous. It's your fucking eyes, dickhead. Stay in your own fucking lane. There's loads of room for it. That's the wrong way, dickhead. The fuck are you idiots doing? The Prius had taken such a wide turn, you wouldn't be so far over. And this one just obviously isn't paying attention at all. Like, fuck.